how to connect Google Analytics and Google Search Console with Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can connect Google Analytics and Google Search Console with Shopify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you need to do is you need to come over here onto Shopify and you need to create an account, and you also have to make sure that your Shopify store is not password protected. Now, if it is, you will need to remove that, and in order to remove that, you have to go ahead and buy a plan. Otherwise, you won't be able to remove the password protection. So if you go into preference, right, you can see I've already removed the password protection. I have this option enabled. I can restrict it and remove it at the same time. If you haven't bought a plan, you won't be able to do so. And one of the cool things about Shopify is that their plan, like whatever plan you get for the first month, it's only going to cost you $1. So right here, these are all the plans that are available. As you can see right here, I've already have the plan. That's why it's telling me the full price. But as you can see right here, $1 for your first month. So you can select any of these plans you want and you are good to go. So you can check out all their features and pricings over here. You can watch the screen right here and you can go ahead and read all of them. It starts at $19 per month, basic one. Shopify is going to be $49 per month. The advanced one is going to be $300 per month, and the plus is going to be $2,300 per month. So keep that in mind. So once you've gotten a free trial and once you've bought a plan, you are good to go. Then you can easily come over here into your preference section and you can go ahead and remove the password right here. And once you've done that, you are good to go. Now, the reason we remove the password is that we need to be able to make sure that our store, our website is online, because if it's not online, Google Search Console will not be able to detect it or connect with it. So that's why we need to remove the password protection so that our store can be online and we can easily connect it. And from here in the preference section, you can even connect Google Analytics, but we'll get to that in a second. First, we need to connect the Google Search Console. So come over here onto Google Search Console's website, and all you have to do is click on Start Now. So give it a couple of seconds and it'll arrive over here. And here you have two options to start with your property. So you have two types of property. You have the URL prefix or you have the domain option. If you have domain, all URL across the subdomains are going to be added over here. All URLs across the HTTPS or HTTP, and it requires DNS verification. So here, if we go with the URL, it'll only URLs under the entered address are going to be good, only URLs under the specific protocols, and allows multiple verification methods. So we are going to be using the URL prefix. So come back over here onto your Shopify store and open your store in another tab and just copy the link. And then what you want to do is go back into your Google Search Console and just paste the link and click on continue. Give it a couple of seconds. It's going to check verifications and it'll show you that ownership is verified. I've already done this. That's why it's telling me that ownership is verified. But if you haven't, done it, it'll give you a few options. So I already have the property right here. So I can go ahead and add a new property and I can go ahead and, add that over here. So let me just go ahead and see whether or not if I can remove this property and show you the exact same methods. So I couldn't remove the property for some reason, but that's fine. When you go ahead and click on the new property, right? This option, when you enter your URL and click on continue, it's going to give you these options right here. So you can verify with the HTML tag, HTML file, if this is the recommended version. But the only bad side is that Shopify does not allow you to upload the HTML file within the root folder or the root domain of their website. So you can't go with this one. You have to go with the HTML tag. Now with the HTML tag, they'll give you a small little tagline that you have to copy and you have to paste it within your store. So to paste the code, you have to come back here into your Shopify theme store and go into the theme section and go to edit code, right? Go into edit code, and here within theme.liquid, right? You're going to paste the code right here, but you're not just going to paste it. You're going to have to create a new line of code like so, and then paste the code. But I already did that. As you can see right here, it says it's verified via the HTML tag, which means that I have already done it. I've already added the tag within the file. That's why it's telling me that it is verified. So you'll just simply paste the code right here, click on save, right? For some reason, I can't delete it, but it's already here and it's already verified. That's why I couldn't show you, but you'll paste the code and then click on save, and then you can exit the code Then when you go back to the verification center, right, it'll give you the verify button like this one right here for the HTML tag. And then you'll hit the verify button and it'll give you the verification ownership verified. It'll show you this pop-up that ownership is verified. But as you can see, I've already done that. I haven't uploaded the HTML file, that's why it said the error. But you can see I am the verified owner. I have uploaded the HTML tag. So that's how you can verify, and that is how you can connect your Shopify with your Google Search Consoles. And then you can go into overview and check all the performances and index, and keep an eye out on your website. So this was one way. Another way is to go ahead and go into settings, and you can see that there is the Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics right here. So you can also do that as well. So over here, you can see your tracking code should be in the head section. So you can go ahead and verify that as well by, entering in this code right here, this snippet. But there's an easier way to do that. All right. You can upload it via the codes, either with your analytics.js code or Google tag.js snippet, right? And you enter the code within the head section, as I said before. But the easier method is to go back into your Shopify store and go into apps right here. And here, just simply search for Google. Google and YouTube will pop up, and then open it up. Wait for a second. It's going to open up the App Store, and then just simply install this application right here. And once you're over here, just simply install the app by clicking on the install button. Give it a couple of seconds. It's going to install and pop up and show you that it is installed. Here we go. You can see the application right here. I'm going to pin it just so that I can see it. And here you can just simply go ahead and connect your Google account. So as you can see, it says reconnect because I've already connected beforehand. So I'll just reconnect it and select my Google account. And once you've connected it, you should be good to go. So as you can see, it's telling me it's connected. And if I scroll down, I can go ahead and connect my Google Analytics account, but it's not showing me the option, but that's fine. Here is the Google Ads account. I can connect it from here for the Google Ads account. This is for the Google Analytics 4 option. Here you go. So just simply click on the Get Started button. It'll give you this option right here, Connect Google Analytics Property. So you have your properties right here. So a bunch of different properties. You can create a new property by clicking on this button, and it'll open up right here, the Google Analytics options. And here you can create a new property. And once you've created the property, just select the property from the list over here, and then just simply click on the Connect button. Give it a couple of seconds, and there we go. Google Analytics is now connected as well. So this was an easier way to do this. But if you want to do it with the code option, so you can go ahead and do that as well. Just open this analytics.js snippet over here. It's currently unavailable. The link you clicked was to document it to the legacy version. So, okay, so that's why they removed it. So you can't even do it that way anymore. So best way is to just install the application and you should be good to go. So now that we have done that, next you can go ahead and confirm that you've added the contact information and add a refund policy and add a payment policy. And then you can go ahead and connect the Google Merchant account as well. And then you have all the other options as well. But yeah, after that, you should be good to go. Currently, as you can see, product listing over here. So then you can go ahead and turn on the email as well, and you should be good to go. So that is how you do it. That is how you connect your Google Search Console and Google Analytics with Shopify. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.